guys, welcome back to my channel where I'm helping you pay off your debt by using digital coupons. Today, we're going to Walgreens. There's so many incredible deals on diapers. You can grab them for less than $2 a bag. We're also going to be stacking our deals with digital boosters and earning some cash back. So when you're able to do all 4 layers on everything that you're buying, that's how you start saving 75% on all your family essentials just by shopping at different stores. So you're not going to Walmart and paying full price. Instead, we're going to stores like Walgreens so we can save money on our family essentials. Take the difference, the money that we save, that is your debt payoff fund. Now we're going to take that and make it as an additional payment towards our debt. That's how I've paid off almost $2,000 so far this year towards my debt, and I'm on track to be debt-free in 2026, which I'm super excited about. So this Thursday, I'm actually going to go live, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit more in depth about my system, exactly what I do, how I do it, the whole 9 yards. So if you're on a debt payoff journey, definitely join me. That'll be linked below for you guys. You can get the Zoom link, tune in live. I do a giveaway live, and I do a full Q&A at the end as well. Below in the description box is going to be a printable breakdown with some of the deals I'm going to be doing in store. So I'm going to walk you through step by step each of the deals that I'm going to be doing. Also, I'm going to show you 2 different scenarios, stacking this digital booster. See if you have it, let me know. For spend $45, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. The best part is all we're using is our phone. So if that's something you want to do, definitely click that subscribe button and you should stick around. Let's head inside Walgreens now and take advantage of some amazing deals this week. Let's start with some amazing hair care deals. So the first one we're going to do is on Shea Moisture. There's a bunch of scenarios, but my favorite is to pick up the kids products. I actually use this on my son's hair. He absolutely loves it. I use the leave-in conditioner as well, but my store is out. This week they're on sale for only $10 a piece. And when you spend $20 in store, you're going to earn back a $10 register reward. So grab 2 of the ones priced at $10. That'll bring you right to the $20 mark. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $15 out of pocket, get back a $10 register reward, makes your net cost $5 for 2 of them, or only $2.50 a piece. Next deal is on TRESemmé. These are $6 each. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. In the Walgreens app, click the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $8, get back the $4 register reward, makes it $4 for 2 of them, or only $2 a piece. That's definitely a great stock-up price, in my opinion, for TRESemmé. Then I'm going to grab the Garnier Fructis. These are on sale for $3.99. Buy 2, you're going to earn back a $3 register reward. Click the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $4.98, get back a $3 register reward. Makes these 99 cents a piece. For anything Garnier, Dove, L'Oreal, definitely a stock-up price is $1 or less, so we're going to grab these. I'm also going to be adding some of these into a digital spend booster, so stay tuned. I'll let you know exactly how to do that. Next deal we're going to add in with the Huggies is going to be the Colgate. These are $4 each. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, makes them only 50 cents a piece. Next deal we're grabbing is on the Dove body wash. We're grabbing the ones that are on sale for $8 each, and they're buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Some of the tags don't say when they're on sale or part of a promotion, but you can check in the weekly ad and that's where you'll find it. So we also have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so you're going to clip that. You would pay $11 out of pocket, earn back a $4 register reward, makes them only $3.50 a piece. Not a bad deal, but adding it in with the spend booster is going to make it much cheaper. So let's go over our transaction for the spend $45, get $10 in Walgreens cash. Here's an all digital scenario that you can do. Spoiler alert, your final cost is going to be less than $6. So total for all of this is $46.77. If you have $1 in Walgreens cash, you can use it. And if you have any manufacturer register rewards from previous deals or last week, you can also use that to lower your cost. We also have $15 worth of digital coupons that'll come off, leaving us to pay $30.77 out of pocket. Then you're going to earn back $15 worth of register rewards and $10 in Walgreens cash. Makes your net cost $5.77 for all of these products, which is a great deal. If you need diapers, we have a good deal on Huggies this week to grab pull-ups and the little snugglers or the little movers. This week they are 2 for $21 on sale. Buy 3 or more in store, get a $10 register reward. So the cheapest way to do the deal is going to be to grab 2 of the Huggies pull-ups or the overnights. Then you're going to clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're also going to grab 2 of the little movers or the little snugglers, also 2 for $21 with a separate 3 off 2 digital coupon. For example, these are the 4 products that you would grab. Total is $42. You have $6 worth of digital coupons. You're going to pay $36 out of pocket. Then you're going to earn back a $10 register reward and submit to Ibotta for 75 cents cash back each on the pull-ups. Gives you another $1.50 cash back. That makes your final net cost $24.50 for 4 of them, or only $6.12 a piece. That's about 40% cheaper than paying full price at Walmart. Now let me show you how to take it a step further and be able to earn back another $10 in Walgreens cash. So now this is where it's going to blow your mind. If you were to grab all 6 of these products at Walmart, you would be paying $48.80 out of pocket. No rewards, no coupons. Coming to Walgreens, let me show you how stacking your deals, you're going to be able to grab it for $17. Total for all of these products you're doing in one transaction. Retail value, it's going to ring in for $50. Type in your phone number. Make sure you have the digital booster clipped if you have it or something similar. For spend $45, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. After the $9 in digital coupons come off, you're only paying $41 out of pocket, already cheaper than Walmart. But then you're going to earn back a $4 register reward for grabbing the 2 Colgate that'll print at the register, plus a $10 register reward for buying at least 3 diapers, and $10 in Walgreens cash for the digital booster. Then you're going to earn back a $1.50 cash back from Ibotta for the pull-ups. That makes your net cost $15.50 for all 6 products. So how does that help you pay off your debt? If you're paying full price right now and you went to Walmart, you would have spent $48.80 out of pocket and paid $0 towards your debt. But by learning how to follow the system, stack your deals at Walgreens, you now have a net cost of $15.50. So you're going to have an additional $33.30 still in your checking account that you didn't give to Walmart for these products. You're then going to take that and make it as an additional payment towards your debt. That's how powerful this can be. That's what I'm going to be going into more detail on as well on Thursday in my free live masterclass. So definitely make sure that you reserve your seat if this is something you want to do. We also have a great deal on laundry products depending on what coupons you still have. These coupons are a one-time use, so if you did the deal last week, you're not going to have the deals available to do again this week, so you're going to have to mix and match your deals. So definitely double check before you get to the store. But this week, the laundry products are on sale for $4.99. Buy 4, get a $5 register reward. You can grab a Tide Pods. There's a $1 digital coupon. You can grab a small Tide liquid with a $1 digital coupon. Then we also have the Downy products that are included, any of the ones that are $4.99, or you could grab the original with a $1 digital coupon. The Unstoppables are also included, and the Bounce dryer sheets are included. Whatever you do, pick 4 products, the ones that you have $1 off 1 digital coupons, so you're going to clip those as well. So total for 4 products is going to be $19.96. After the coupons come off, you'll pay $15.96, earn back a $5 register reward, makes it $10.96 for 4 laundry products, or $2.74 a piece. Okay, we are back in from checkout. Even though checkout did take a long time just because the system was running really slow for some reason today, but that's okay. Always make sure that you are as patient as possible because you're saving hundreds of dollars by doing this. So I can spare a couple minutes for the register to kind of figure its stuff out. So I wound up doing 2 transactions today. That's it. Took me probably 5 minutes to check out and it went smoothly. So that's what it takes when you want to be able to do this. I changed up one of the scenarios a little bit. I found the all free and clear with Oxy was on clearance at my store for $2.29, and we have a $1 digital coupon. That is the specific laundry detergent, the all free and clear that I used for my son. He has very sensitive skin. He has eczema, things like that. So that worked out perfectly, and there was another coupon, so it made it a little bit cheaper for me. So my first transaction, I did the Tresemme, Colgate, Dove, Garnier. This is a register reward I had from last week that I earned. These are all the digital manufacturer coupons coming off. Paid $25.27 plus taxes out of pocket. Then I earned back $10.46 in Walgreens cash, and I earned back all of my register rewards as well that I then rolled in my second transaction. So I was debating whether I was going to do the laundry or the diapers. I was going to do laundry and paper products, but I have plenty in my stockpile, so I don't need those. But I always want to stock up on diapers just so we have them, because it's not every week that you're going to get a really good diaper deal. So if your kids are in diapers, anytime there's a good deal, definitely make sure that you're grabbing it. Of course, make sure it's in your budget though first. So then I did the Huggies deal. So I grabbed 4 Huggies. Then I grabbed the All again, and I grabbed a Gain because I needed that. This is just a Gain dish soap. It was on sale for 99 cents. And I added that because I needed it to get over the $45 mark to use the booster. This is a separate account. This is on my mom's account. Digital boosters are one-time use. Then these are the register rewards that I just earned. These are the digital coupons coming off. And I paid $23.28 plus taxes out of pocket on this one. And then I submitted over to Ibotta and I got back $1.50 for the Huggies products, which is amazing. Plus I earned back the $10.45 in Walgreens cash on this transaction. And the $10 register reward did print for me as well. So I'm going to save that one for next week's deals. So that way I have something to help me lower my out-of-pocket cost. But that's the name of the game. You're stacking sale prices, digital coupons, boosters, using rewards at checkout, and you're still earning rewards back and sometimes cash back on top of that. So that's what I teach in part of my 5-step system. Also, you've got to make sure you're tracking your spending. So let's go home, do the final step together. Takes us about 60 seconds to track exactly what we spent. The spreadsheet is going to do all the calculations for us, all the hard work for us. So let me show you. All right, here is my digital budget spreadsheet. So if you made it this far in the video, that means you are serious about paying off your debt and you really want to understand my system and how I've been doing this. So what you've got to do is make sure that you're tracking your spending. I know it sounds miserable and scary, but trust me, it takes 60 seconds. If you don't have a spreadsheet yet, I'll link mine. You guys can get it downloaded and just copy it year after year after year. That's it. One-time payment, it's $10, and you can have it forever. What you're going to do is go to the tab of the month. So we're in May. Then we are going to type in the date. Next, we're going to put the store in the drop-down. Sale price, exactly what it means. What is the sale price of all of the products on that receipt? So my first receipt, all of the sale prices added up to $46.27. How much did you pay out of pocket? What did you swipe your card for? I paid $27.95, including taxes. How much cash back did you get? None. My next transaction, sale price was $48.29. Out of pocket, I paid $23.51. Oh. And I earned $1.50 cash back. Oh, why are you being silly? $1.50 cash back. So this is going to update the spreadsheet and show exactly how much I've saved on average. I'm still around 80% on average for every single product that I'm purchasing. All my family essentials, toiletries, you name it. And so far, I've saved $341 compared to if I were to just go to Walmart and pay full price, or go to Publix and pay full price for all of these products. So now at the end of the month or at the end of the week, which I'm doing now, you can see exactly how much money you've saved. Take that and make it as an additional payment towards your debt. Do it immediately. Don't wait and hope it's still there at the end of the month. It's going to disappear. The second that money is still in your account, immediately make it as an additional payment towards your debt. That's how I've been so successful doing this and how I'm going to be able to be debt-free this year, which I'm so excited about. So on Thursday, I'm going live. I'm going to be teaching my full 5-step system that I follow every single week, and I'm going to break it down for you guys step by step. So if you haven't reserved your seat yet, you can click the link here that says free live class. Reserve your seat. I do a giveaway for those of you who tune in live, and I do a full Q&A at the end. So any questions you have my one-on-one attention. Bring those questions so I can help you, and I will see you guys there. Bye.